Okay, so you've set up your wallet. Congratulations. Now you're trying to figure out how to put some currency inside that wallet. We want to buy NFTs, right? So we need to put some Solana inside our Phantom wallet. If you've missed this step, it's completely okay. I'll leave a link around here somewhere and you can go back to my first video. This is going to be a playlist where I show you exactly how to get started in the NFT game and how to start buying and selling NFTs on the Solana market. So let's dive in. Well, firstly, we need to take our current currency and convert it into cryptocurrency, convert it into Solana to be more precise. Once we've done that, we can then simply take it and send it directly to our wallet. As simple as that. Once we have the Solana in our wallet, we can go ahead, we can start minting new NFTs, we can start buying NFTs on the secondary market. It's that easy. So let's dive in. Well, firstly, there are multiple different services that offer this exact thing. Buying crypto. Buying crypto is definitely not new. So there are a lot of companies that do this. In fact, I'd urge that you do a quick search just to see in your current area with your current currency that you have, what are the popular platforms that do this, and try and see which one works best for you. Personally, here in Canada where I am, more specifically here in Alberta, I find that Newton is really simple for me. I can go directly to my bank mobile app and my Newton mobile app, and within a few clicks between the two, I can send money to Newton and then take it and convert it whenever I like from Canadian dollars into Solana. In fact, into multiple different currencies or cryptocurrencies. I obviously just choose Solana. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take you on my phone now and just show you a little behind the scenes of how to set that up, how to set up the Newton app. You of course know how to set up your own cell phone banking, and if you don't, I'm sure a quick little search will assist you with that. So let's dive in. Okay, so this is simple. You will download the app from your app store, click on it, click on create new account, add your email address, create a password, and check I have read and agree to the T's and C's, of course. Okay, next step, you're in. Let's set up a few things to make your account more secure. Yeah, well, firstly, you want to verify your email address. If you haven't received it, click resend mail. Once that's done, you'll set up your two-factor authentication, and then you can enable your fingerprint ID or face ID if your phone allows it. This just makes for an easier login every time you come to the app. So you'll go in and confirm your email address, click on activate account. Okay, set up your two-factor authentication, put your phone number in, and enable your ID. Okay, so you're almost there. You've set up your account, and now you just need to verify yourself. Choose your account type, submit a photo of your identification, and then you're basically there. So if you click on verify your identity, you'll see that there's some information that it needs from you. So it'll need your name, your address, that sort of thing. So go ahead, put all that good stuff in, and then, go ahead, submit your ID photo. It usually it can take anywhere from, a few minutes, an hour, to even a day or two to get that process, depending on how clear your photo is, if the app can identify that itself, or if it actually needs to be verified by a human, essentially. So go ahead and set that up. That's pretty simple, and I'll see you inside the app. So as you can see, this is essentially how the app looks once you're inside. You may not see any of these transfers over there, but that's essentially it. I don't even have any dollars in my account because all that I use this app for is simply sending the money that I want to convert into Solana. So money never really sits in this app for me personally, but I mean, if you choose to do that, by all means. But if you want to go ahead and add some dollars in there, you just click on it, and here in Canada we use e-transfer with Interact, and it's pretty simple. I click on there, I can request however much I want, $500, whatever it is, and then simply go and send fund request, and it will send it to the email address that I put for my Interact. And then I go to my bank account and I go and I approve this, and then Give it a few minutes and then it eventually shows up in this account. Once it does, I can click on the trade tab and I can simply convert it from dollars into Solana. Once I have the Solana, you go to the withdraw tab and you want to send it to your crypto wallet, right? So you click on this BTC because you don't want Bitcoin, we want Solana. Solana is the fourth one from the top, and that's essentially it. Now we can decide how much Solana to send. You can click on the percentage based on what you have available, or you can actually put in however much Solana you want to send. 1 Solana. I'd recommend putting in an insignificant amount like a 0.1 or even less when you first decide to send it to your wallet, just to make sure that you don't end up sending it to the wrong address. But this method that I'm going to show you is almost foolproof. You essentially can't really get this wrong, and you would send it to your own address, but this is just another additional step to be safe about. So if you click on, once you've put in the amount you want to send, instead of pasting the address, you can click on scan the QR code, right? And then you come to your actual wallet. Okay, you click on Solana because that's what we're trying to send. Then you click on deposit and that shows up, and oh, they scanned that already, and it has the address pasted in there, as you can see. The address is long as hell, as you can see, so trying to type this out leaves a lot of room for error. You never want to be typing this out. You either want to be copying and pasting it, or alternatively, if you can scan the QR code, that just makes things easier. So I've scanned the code, it brings that in, and I can click send withdrawal request, and I've sent money to my wallet. And once I see the money come up on my Phantom wallet, I can go ahead and send the balance over if I want. And that's it, guys. You've done it. You've firstly created your Phantom wallet, and now in this video, all you've gone and done is you've taken your current currency, you've converted it into a cryptocurrency, and you've sent it to your Web 3.0 wallet. Now you have Solana. We can go ahead and we can start minting. We can go ahead and we can start buying NFTs. But I'd urge you not so fast. Don't get hungry to just start buying. Let's do some research first. Let's learn a little more so that we know what we're getting into, so that we know what to look for, we know what to avoid, so that we don't have to make mistakes ourselves. We can learn from other people's mistakes. So make sure you subscribe, follow along, and I'll see you in the next video where we can take the next step to starting our NFT journey.